All right, next question comes from an anonymous submitter here. They ask, what comes first, asset management or reliability? I've seen the terms used interchangeably. There's so many different directions this question can go. Ramesh, where do you want to take it?
Okay, three things: maintenance, reliability, and asset management. All three things are different things. Okay. Maintenance is to keep asset running today. Is right now current. I have to run this equipment running. Okay, where reliability looks into ensuring that that asset runs tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, near future sort of a thing with less failures. That's what emphasis focus is: less failures, reduce failures. Okay, where asset management is that asset runs effectively for a long time, and also by reducing the total operating cost
Mhm.
or total cost of ownership, or nowadays we call it TOTEX. Okay, so how we can reduce the total cost of ownership and run these assets more effectively. So there's a big difference in these three things. There's nothing who comes first. We have maintenance runs for today. Reliability is making ensuring that it runs tomorrow, day after tomorrow with less failures. And where asset management look at the overall life cycle of asset, how we can reduce the total cost of ownership and get more value from our asset.
And I think what I also hear from you is, it's not one before the other. It's,
No,
these are three things that you look at in
yeah,
parallel.
yeah.